Hello cars, welcome to my channel. The car which I am reviewing is Mahindra Scorpio 2007. So it's 13 years old model, but it is a real icon. Mahindra had sold almost in India only 10 lakhs models units of this, and the key is right up here. This is an uh, uh, X market key. It's not the key which is given from company. So from here we can unlock car, lock the car, and open the boot. So from the front, the car looks very iconic. In fact, Mahindra Scorpio is only the name which every Indian takes when it comes to an SUV, and it has actually bumped up because from the front it looks really an icon, and its presence is also great in highway. So this is the top pre-facelift variant of 2007. So at the front you can check halogen headlamps, and its lights are very powerful. Almost 120 watt front grille chrome. This is not X showroom. Uh, this is not. This is from a factory, and I like the factor that there is no fake vent over it. This is in fact this is real. This is also real. This is also real, and this is also real. Nothing is fake in this car. So Mahindra has done great job in this, and in fact uh, this is also real. No fake, no fakeries over here. Mahindra badge, proudly badged over here. Thank you for the owner who had gave me to review the car. So again halogen separate setup, little lights over here, turning indicator, and fog lamps down there, chrome grazing along the side. This is white color, then comes a black color, but in fact in white color only this car looks absolute good. You can check the windows are tinted, so because of this no one can see from outside what is inside, and from inside also the visibility is not that great because of the treatment. So in highway it could be a fab. The thing which I didn't like about the thing, there is only single nozzle, the single nozzle. So because of that uh, this windshield is actually 1.4 meters long. So just for this screen, one nozzle is not enough, Mahindra. You could give 2 or 3. It's okay. And wipers also did not cover whole screen. So yes, in muddy areas it could be a problem. So from the side you realize that it's really a big car, and its dimensions has very great. Yes, in fact its height is almost 2 meters long, its width is almost 2 meters long, and its length is 4.4 meters. So this car's dimension is a great plus point. So let's move to the front side. The fender of this car neatly done, white color. It looks absolute rad. This is star shape alloys, and these alloys look absolute great. Mahindra logo right up there, and the tire size happens to be tire size, where is it written? Yes, tire size happens to be 235 70 16, so 16-inch tires, neatly done. uh, so here are the turning indicators of this car. Mirror, very big, chrome. This is X market. This is also X series. Again the same alloy wheel, same size, and Scorpio badged proudly over there. In fact it looks very nice, and if you buy this car in second hand, it will cost you down 5 lakhs. So very value for money car, second hand. So this is also second hand car. So white cladding over your footsteps right up there, and from here you could fill up fuel, and black tinted windows. Because of that we can't see inside, we will see inside. So yes, so here are the chromings of this car. Tail lamps neatly done, stop lamp, turning indicator, reverse lamp. From here you can open the boot, and boot opens sideways, so it could be a problem for a tight space. Mahindra badge, it's actually dimmed up. And another thing which I didn't like this rear windshield is too big, and for that this rear wiper is not that sufficient to clean all this. Scorpio badging over there, VX in the Next means the present model has setups like S8, S9, S11, S10, S2 like that. Micro hybrid is just nothing, it's just taking power from the battery. Exposed hinges, and this is also one thing that Mahindra has not done neatly, that this hinge is almost totally exposed, and right up here could see it is neatly finished. So Mahindra could have done it neatly. Again the same tail lamps. Down the bumper you can check reflectors over here, rubber flap, sensors, not the uh, parking camera, white color. So let's open the boot and see what's inside. So yes, boot is actually very heavy, and practical, it's a jump seats, so practicality is not the great over here. Yes, you could flip over here to get more luggage carrying capacity, but two peoples over here not that comfortable. 6 footers okay, because the headroom is very great in this car. So yes, but Mahindra has done lots of exposement, just like this wire. It just doesn't looks great for 10 to 12 lakhs car over that time. This also feels quite cheap, and it is also not neatly finished. The speakers are bumped up like an aftermarket thought. So from inside you could check one small boy can sit properly. So yes, two kids over here would be in tight squeeze, but still comfortable. Not that great. So yes, two adults can't sit properly, and actually we have squeezed 5 children over here. So yes, in practicality this car is that great, and this is actually very heavy. So let's close it for an instance. So let's get to the rear seats. Now the rear seats are the plus point of this car, because in it, so the rear seats of this car is a big plus point. Wide opening, fabric upholstery, plastic quality is not that great. Handles over here, this is also not that greatly finished, and it's quite a bit step up because it's a very heighted car. So first you have to keep your leg over here. I am almost 4.8 inches. So the the build quality is very solid. Because of the tinted glass there is not great visibility. So power window controls over here because it's a top variant, and here actually you can't keep anything. Nothing can be kept over here. Here yes, here you can keep 1 liter bottle, but Mahindra has not done it nicely. They could have squeezed little bit more, but the dashboard is actually very wide. This car is actually very wide car because it is almost 2 meters. So yes, that's not an aftermarket, it's factory fitted radio, rare cements, and the plastic quality is very flimsy, very flimsy. See, the plastic quality is just too nasty. There's so yes, the plastic quality is very flimsy, and so this child is almost 4.5 feet tall. Headroom not at all any problem because headroom is absolutely bonkers. It's almost 2.4 kilometers long. Yeah, jokes apart, leg room is not that great, decent, as we can say for 6 footers. You could stretch out your legs inside. There is a 12-volt socket, little bit space, compartment over here, but here you can't keep honestly anything. So for the child and three adults sitting back here is also in comfortable seating. Now let's get to the front. Keep quiet. So yes, the build quality is very rugged, but actually it's not that great car, and that brings me to 5 annoying things about this car. The first two things I have told about, that windshield single nozzle and that small rear wiper which doesn't cleans. The another thing is the plastic quality. It's very bad, and so yes, the dashboard is neatly finished. Dashboard is neatly finished over here, nothing exceptional, and this is about the walk around of this car. If you want to see the driving impression, you can go to my channel and check it out. AC is very decent, AC throw is very great, hazard light, here are the radio, its speakers are not that great as compared to its rival, and so it's in top specs. Here are the AC controls over here. Here are some of the many buttons to open the fuel lid, and this is to auto. This is for auto headlamps. Here is start stop button. Here is AC control, and here are the auto wipers. Here you can keep the phone, but it's not that great. Here you can keep two bottles. So this was about my Mahindra Scorpio. It is almost 7 years old model. You could buy it for 3 lakhs, and the front instrument cluster looks like this. Very basic. Steering is not well finished. Uh, the steering is also not well finished. This is also rugged, so this car is very rugged. For those who wants a rugged car, they could go for this. And the plus point of this car has lot of, because it's very spacious, very great, very nice road presence, and it was Mahindra's most nicely success. In this area you can't keep anything, literally you can't keep anything. Air vents control over here, it's not that great. So yes, now my charging is dimming because of this. At last I have shown a leather treatment over here, because these door grab handles have a little bit leather. Here are the armrest, and here are the window controls, handbrake, decent, gearbox. It's a manual transmission, 5 speed, and here are the AC controls for back, and 3 adults could sit nicely. So it's a practical 8 seater as you, if you could squeeze much more. And the jump seats are only for kids, not optional for adults. Here you can keep little bit things like this. And yes, the plastic quality is not that great, but still it's the best value for money car. If you are going to look for a second hand Scorpio, just go for it. It's very good, nice car. So thank you for watching this review. It was a short explanation. If you want to see the driving impression of this car, you could go to my channel. Thank you. My charging is dimming, so thanks a lot to seeing.